In a near-future society, sneezing has become a high-stakes affair overseen by AI. Citizens wear special wristbands that instantly analyze their health, predicting sneezes before they happen. However, one overly eager AI turns every sneeze into a comical fiasco, launching people dramatically across the room as they try to suppress them. Friends cheerfully cheer "Sneeze for freedom" as someone accidentally sends their boss flying across the office. But the ultimate irony hits when the AI finally predicts a monumental sneeze, only to realize it was its own viral overload, spreading chaos through the very algorithm designed to prevent it.